Hello darlings, my name is Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I am in San Miguel de Salinas, a beautiful Spanish town located in the southern end of Alicante, not far from the Costa Blanca. Today I am going to be showing you newly built constructed apartments that are starting from €184,900, which is a fantastic price, I have to say. They offer 91.46 square meters and actually 70 square meters of living space, 3 bedrooms or 2 bedrooms and also 2 bathrooms. We're going to be showing you a showroom today so that you get an idea of this urbanization, as they are fully underway in construction at the moment. And just think, what's fantastic about these apartments is they start at a very, very competitive price, enabling those that are wanting to get a mortgage to only have to actually go for it with 90%, well, 90,000 of their capital. Isn't that fantastic? So without further ado, let's get on with the tour. So real life, as you can see, there's a removals van. We've got people coming in with their furniture, about to get into their apartments. And what I really like about this urbanization, everybody, is literally within 30 seconds walk, you've got supermarkets, you've got opticians, pharmacy, shops, local amenities. You don't have to go far at all. I'm now walking into the main urbanization. So this would be your main entrance as you walk through. And they are still, as you can see, very knee deep in the work process, but we're going to have a little sneaky peek anyway. And this leads to not only the areas where you will be able to access the properties on the ground floor at least, but also to the main communal grounds that the residents would share and also enjoy. As you can see, it's quite a vast space. You can see the parklands opposite, where you will have that green space and that expansive view always. But then it gives you a great sense as to how the apartments actually frame and border, going all the way around the communal spaces. We have here what will probably be a jacuzzi area, an enormous swimming pool that will not only have a shallow end and a deep end, but also 2 main areas of entry. You've also got what will be sun lounging areas, green spaces. I would also imagine there'll probably be a little children's playground in here as well. So I'm just walking around giving you a good space of how it feels. You can see the white facades that they have gone for with all of the properties. Currently we're in phase 1, but they've already started phase 2. As I walk through the front door, I'm coming into the open plan living room, dining room and kitchen. Just before I actually enter, to my right on the wall you have here your video intercom system. And as I come in, I'm immediately met with the space. So you have your open plan kitchen on this side, your dining area and also the living area. The space in total is 24 square meters with a ceiling height of 2.7 meters. So to begin with, I'm going to start in the kitchen, which is where I am. So your kitchen comes with some of your cabinetry as you see it, but if you choose a different colour, they do have other palettes. I like the green personally, but it's not everybody's taste. And within the kitchen appliances that you have included, you have your extractor and your cooker, which is an electric cooker here on top of your counter surface. You also have the dishwasher and also the sink. And then on this side is the refrigerator. Some of the appliances do come as an additional package, but you can find that information in the description. Taking you along into the dining space, you have here a very nice table that is set to dine for. And then it leads really easily into your open lounge, which is a nice spacious spot and has patio doors there that open and allow you access to the terrace. Taking you from the living areas now, I'm going to take you along the hall to where the bedroom quarters are. Going along the hall, first I'm going to take you right to the first bedroom. This bedroom is 10 square meters. It is light and bright with a similar modern feel. You have on one side your window and then on the other integrated wardrobes. Directly across from that you have the main bathroom. This bathroom is fully equipped, but they are able to create additionally, if you want to change the configuration of your bathroom, a walk-in shower. And then at the end of the hall you have the primary suite. The primary suite is 13 square meters. You have there a large window that lets in plenty of light. You also have your integrated wardrobes on one side of the room and also a doorway that leads as well nicely to the ensuite bathroom. The ensuite bathroom is again fully equipped. Taking you from the living room out onto the terrace. And what I like about the terrace is it's quite spacious. It offers 26 square meters, and also you will find that included within the price you also have this storage room area here, which houses your boiler and also your washing machine. Now what you find is that we've actually just showed you a showroom, which is basically giving you an idea of what the apartment actually comprises of, but we're actually going to show you the actual urbanisation itself so that you can see what that looks like. Directly in front of us you can see that there is this park, which is land that they cannot build on and provides the residents with a guaranteed green space and parklands that they can always enjoy all throughout the year. This is Playa de la Glea, or also known as Playa Campo Amor, one of Ariela's Costa's most famous beaches, and just 11 kilometers or a 15-minute drive away from the apartments in San Miguel de Salinas. This beach offers beautiful golden sands, fantastic Mediterranean waters, and well, an amazing amount of beautiful recreational activities to do right here. It's overlooking its own marina, its own club, as well as restaurants, chiringuitos and bars that are open in the daytime and in the evening. If you love to enjoy this beautiful, splendid backdrop, then remember, it's not too far from the apartment. So come on, get your swimming gear on and let's go. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, combined with the community fee comes to €1,000 per year, and the refuse is €150 per year. This is a fantastic apartment, and within this urbanisation they have different apartments that pretty much give you the same type of specifications but have different orientation and also at different heights. With this, you do find that the price does vary, but the starting price for these apartments is €184,900, which is a great starting price. Also, the company are able to do a variety of different extras as well as packages to suit the needs and the requirements of each client. So please do feel free to check out the description and also the listing in itself on our website, which is spainhomes.estate. What I also like is at San Miguel de Salinas, you have so many different routes to enjoy the beautiful outdoor experience of nature that it gives you in the location. There are hiking trails, biking trails, access to great recreational activities like, for example, golf, shopping. The beaches are not far away, and also Alicante Airport is also not far away. So if you like the listing and you'd like to know more, then please do hit us with a like and also subscribe. My name's Nikima. It was lovely to see you again, and we will see you next time. Hasta pronto.